find the main actress. I'm looking for the main actress. Wait, we'll find her. We'll find her. Oh, here she is. Here she is. Hi, how are you?
Hello world! Hello world!
Hello world!
Hello world! So we are going to the Baxu and the Giants premiere today. Okay, so we are already here downstairs at Sterkinikor. We're gonna go in, we're gonna first register, they're gonna give us that band thing, and yeah, so we're gonna look for our names and we're gonna register. Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure whatever she says is what we're gonna do. Just follow.
What she said.
Yeah, Baxu and the Giants. It's a Namibian movie, yes. Yes, I don't know what it's about though. I just know it's a Namibian movie.
So this is the VIP area. So we're gonna show you, I don't know who's here. We're gonna have to check who's around and who we can talk to. Because I'm seeing a lot of people that I know. So it feels like a reunion that's happening here right now, and I'm wow.
It's nice, it's nice.
Let's mingle.
Baxu, there is danger coming.
My name is Kubahu. That means I come from the soil. Wiki wiki. My ancestors lived off the land and the animals on it until men came from far away and filled their minds with greed. I don't know what yet, but he's hiding something. And then everything changed. Hello? Is anyone here?
say is the trust relations built during this, and I've seen it now across industries, whether it's the mining industry, whether it's the Namibian Film Commission, whether it's the corporates, they're really beginning to trust in Namibian film. Now this is a really a sea change. This is a completely unbelievable thing, and what you're going to see next week and next month is new Namibian feature films coming out, whether it's The Land of the Brave, whether it's Harabib, whether it's The White Line. There's these fantastic new films coming on, and we're all collaborating. It's the first time I've seen it. We've all tried to collaborate, but there's just not enough to go around. So for the first time, people are supporting us from the top. Across the industry, we're collaborating, and with audiences like yourselves, we're really going to go places. So thank you all, eh? Really.
That was a great movie, guys.
Yeah,
I almost cried twice. Like, there was a part where you cried twice.
It was okay.
It was nice.
And that's a Namibian movie, guys. That is a Namibian produced and directed from the Namibian.
Something different. Something different. Yeah.
So we're going to interview Lynn and some of the people that have watched the movie so that we know what they think about the movie that we just watched. Guys, I cried almost twice. Twice, guys. This movie is very good.
It was amazing. It was really touching. Story well told. I am so impressed. Florian and the team, well done. Yes, I also cried a couple of times. It's like if you get the chance to go and watch this, if you're going to see this before the next screening, go and watch it. You won't regret it. Thank me later. Thank you, bye.
But I enjoyed it from an audience perspective because I cried. I thought it had a lot of heart. I think any good story has to have heart. I love Camila. You know, I come from the time where you had foreign music, foreign crew, and a couple of local cast, foreign writers. And everybody was from here, and all these guys, and all the guys on stage. So much love. Awesome.
I was just talking to Grace now, and she was mentioning how she tried not to cry twice. I cried. I think I should have left with some tissues because that hit home. That really touched a lot of points in my childhood as well. Just remembering where we come from, who we are, the names they use in the film, the characters that were portrayed in the film, the message, very, very powerful. And I think that, like they said, they're going to be taking it to the rest of Namibia. It's certainly going to impact a lot of lives in our communities in conservation towards our wildlife and for our future. So someday our children really are able to say that they've seen a rhino in their lives before. So thank you to the cast of the crew, thank you to the producers, the writers, thank you to everybody who made this possible. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
I can't find the main actress. I'm looking for the main actress. Wait, we'll find her. Here she is. Hi, how are you? I'm good.
How does it feel to be this young, but being like a movie as big as this?
I'm here with Kata. His real name is... He's a brother in the movie, and it's an honor. And these guys are just purely Namibians. We are so proud, guys. We're so proud.
How did you feel being in the movie?
Again, it was like a weird experience. I was very nervous, excited, but like, when I did a good job, it's nothing, it's exciting.
Anything you liked a lot about the movie?
The story itself was amazing, the characters were phenomenal, the message was the most important to me, I think. Alright, thank you.
There will be a screening as part of the film week this Sunday, which is actually Rhino Day. So please go support the movie, and also please go out during film week and go watch the other films.
Well, I think this is such an incredible moment, not just for Namibia, but for Africa and the world. As we came and spoke about rhinos, you know, our was so happy to be included in this film as King Rhino, as the voice of King Rhino. But looking at the talent of people like Camilla, looking at the talent of our direction, the production, where we're going, Namibia and Africa can truly be proud of what we've done here, and it's just up and up, up and up from here. So it's been an incredible experience. To me, it feels like the beginning of a whole new movement, a whole new way of making film, a whole new way of interacting with art, and a whole new way of making sure that art speaks about what matters. Thank you.
One thing, you are never too young to make a change.
That's a nice man. Powerful message.
Mostly I just enjoy watching my mom play for the last time. So I just want to send a shout out to my mom. It's such a great place. And it's so rest in peace.
I love Namibian stories coming to life, and I love seeing communities being represented. And I'm also so glad that it was like one of the smaller communities in Namibia. A lot of the times when we want to tell Namibian stories, we maybe might try to center ourselves on one of the bigger tribes. But it's so nice to be able to show the world the diversity of our country. I'm glad that we're telling stories about, conserving our environment and saving the planet, because the planet is so important. And I'm so glad to see Camilla Derry start her career. I know that she's going to be a superstar. She's going to be the biggest thing Namibia has ever seen. And this is just the beginning.
Hi guys! I really love the fact that Namibian stories actually have a platform. I love the fact that they are out there, that creators are doing all their work and it's finally paying off. Namibian art, Namibian creatives are killing it. Baxu and the Giants, awesome movie. I really enjoyed myself.
Thank you all so much for coming. Thank you for supporting Namibian film. Thank you for supporting this little film. And hope to see you soon.
They're the planet Michael theory. It's a great night for the arts. Planet Michaels, we love you. We are proudly Namibian.
Yes, we are.
You're the first famous family.
It was a really good film. First things first, I need to compliment Florian Schott because he has the ability to bring any actor alive on screen. Doesn't matter if they have any acting experience or not, he's very talented in that sense. The editing was brilliantly done. Miller was amazing, and the score part of this.
I have stunning music coming out of my brain.
All the way. I think it was a very important message because it gave it shone light on a very powerful issue that's currently happening in Namibia, but from the eyes of a young child. And given that the next generation is rising up and taking over our country, it was very important for them to witness and see what the rest of Namibia is seeing. And if they weren't exposed to it, then I don't think the message would have come across quite as powerful as it did through the film. So well done.
Florian did an amazing job. The script written by Girley Jazama.
Yes.
Can we just acknowledge Girley as the biggest asset to this film? Apart from Camilla, who played Baxu, and apart from the late and great Anna Lowe, I just dedicate tonight to Anna Lowe. She was one of the best theatre and film actors to ever come from Namibia, and we are less because she is no longer there, but we will try and fill her footsteps by dedicating authenticity to every role we do. I'm so proud that the music came out so well. I composed as one track, the main track, and of course all the other tracks. I composed in my sleep thinking of the characters, and then Ims played my compositions and Carl recorded, produced, did everything, and together the three of us and Boychik mixed it. I'm so incredibly proud of this work because it's substantial work, it's important work, and it's an incredible honor to be part of a film like this in that way. So, namaste, Mainzes Amai,
Shut.
That was great, guys. Okay, that's a wrap.